Have you ever wondered if you can make money with Airbnb without owning a property? The answer is a resounding yes. The vacation rental industry, especially through Airbnb, is booming, with over 7.7 million active listings and 5 million hosts worldwide. But owning a property isn't the only path to success in this lucrative market. From managing properties to offering unique experiences, there are numerous ways to dive into Airbnb and make a profit without ever buying a house. Let's explore these opportunities and see how you can start your journey in Airbnb property management today. The growing appeal of Airbnb property management. Airbnb's popularity is undeniable. With millions of listings and hosts globally, the platform offers a fantastic way to earn money through vacation rentals. However, not everyone has the resources or interest to purchase property. The good news is, you don't need to own a house to benefit from the Airbnb market. Here are 13 innovative ways to make money with Airbnb without owning property. Number 1. Start an Airbnb cleaning service. Cleaning services are always in demand for Airbnb properties. Hosts often need reliable cleaners to ensure their properties are spotless for each new guest. By offering professional cleaning services, you can tap into this constant need and secure steady income. Signing a cleaning contract with hosts and using a detailed property appearance checklist will help you meet their expectations and maintain high standards. Number 2. Offer an Airbnb experience. Offering an Airbnb experience allows you to share your passion with visitors while earning money. Whether you love cooking, yoga, crafts, or city tours, Airbnb experiences enable you to showcase your skills and provide guests with memorable local insights. By meeting Airbnb's criteria and managing bookings through the platform, you can create unique experiences that attract travelers seeking authentic cultural immersion. Number 3. Provide Airbnb upsell services. Partnering with local Airbnb hosts to offer upsell services can significantly enhance the guest experience and boost your income. Many hosts lack the time or resources to provide additional services like food delivery, home-cooked meals, or personalized experiences. By offering these upsells, you can cater to guests' needs and preferences, earning commissions on top of your base service fees. It's a win-win situation that allows you to tap into the hospitality market without owning property. Number 4. Become an Airbnb consultant. Becoming an Airbnb consultant is ideal if you have a knack for hospitality and business strategy. Consultants help hosts optimize their Airbnb listings, enhance guest experiences, and maximize bookings. Specializing in areas like branding, marketing, or operational efficiency can differentiate you in the competitive consulting market. By offering tailored advice and practical solutions, you empower hosts to succeed in the dynamic vacation rental industry. Number 5. Offer Airbnb marketing services. For digital marketing or social media experts, offering Airbnb marketing services can be highly profitable. Successful Airbnb hosting requires effective online promotion to attract guests and increase bookings. By developing targeted marketing campaigns, optimizing property listings, and managing social media accounts, you can help hosts stand out in a crowded market. This service not only boosts occupancy rates, but also enhances the overall visibility and profitability of Airbnb listings. Number 6. Become an Airbnb photographer. Becoming an Airbnb photographer is a valuable service in the competitive vacation rental market. High-quality photos are crucial for attracting guests and setting listings apart from others. As an Airbnb photographer, your role involves capturing appealing images that highlight the property's features and amenities. Using professional photography techniques, such as lighting and composition, you can create visually compelling listings that attract more bookings. This role requires attention to detail and creativity to showcase each property in its best light, helping hosts enhance their online presence and increase booking rates. Number 7. Become a co-host. Becoming an Airbnb co-host is a practical way to enter the vacation rental business without owning property. You collaborate with existing hosts to manage their properties, handling tasks such as guest communications, check-ins, and cleaning coordination. While you share responsibilities and profits with the primary host, co-hosting provides valuable experience and insights into Airbnb operations. It's an excellent opportunity to build a reputation in the industry and earn income through property management. Number 8. Rent out a spare bedroom. If you have an extra bedroom in your home, Renting it out on Airbnb can be a lucrative option. By listing a spare room, you can attract travelers seeking affordable and comfortable accommodations. Hosting guests in your home allows you to generate extra income without the commitment of owning a separate property. It also offers the flexibility to set your own availability and house rules, making it a manageable side hustle for homeowners. Number 9. Become a property manager. Becoming a property manager in the Airbnb industry involves overseeing the daily operations of vacation rental properties on behalf of owners. As a property manager, your responsibilities include managing guest communications, coordinating turnovers, handling maintenance requests, and optimizing bookings. This role requires excellent organizational skills and a deep understanding of the Airbnb platform and local regulations. By providing exceptional management services, you can maximize property profitability and ensure a positive experience for both guests and owners. Property managers play a crucial role in maintaining property standards and enhancing guest satisfaction, contributing to long-term success in the vacation rental market. Number 10. Join a vacation rental franchise. If starting a property management business from scratch seems daunting, joining a vacation rental franchise could be a viable option. Franchises provide the structure, systems, and resources needed to start a property management business while maintaining the franchise's brand. Although it requires an initial investment, it reduces the risks associated with starting a new business. Number 11. Buy Airbnb stock. Investing in Airbnb stock provides an indirect way to profit from the company's success in the vacation rental market. As Airbnb continues to expand globally and innovate its services, investing in its stock can offer potential capital appreciation. While stock market investments carry risks, buying shares in established companies like Airbnb allows you to participate in their growth without the responsibilities of property ownership. Number 12. Invest in someone else's business. Investing in someone else's Airbnb business is a passive, yet potentially lucrative opportunity. Whether you fund a friend's startup or collaborate with hosts looking to expand, your investment can help them scale their operations and increase profitability. Networking within the Airbnb community or leveraging crowdfunding platforms can connect you with promising ventures. By supporting others' entrepreneurial endeavors, you can earn passive income and benefit from the growing demand for vacation rentals. Number 13. Get financing to start your own Airbnb. Securing financing to purchase a property for Airbnb rental requires careful consideration and planning. Various loan options, including traditional mortgages and specialized vacation rental loans, are available for prospective property owners. Getting pre-approved for a loan involves assessing your financial situation, creditworthiness, and property investment goals. With favorable mortgage rates and financing terms, now may be an opportune time to explore financing options and start your journey as an Airbnb host. The Airbnb market offers numerous opportunities to make money without owning property. Whether you choose to provide cleaning services, offer unique experiences, or manage properties, there's a path for everyone. By leveraging your skills and interests, you can tap into this lucrative market and start your journey in Airbnb property management. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.